So filters, like what is the importance of filters in our consciousness, in our mind's eye? I think the complete value of this is, it's still, we're waiting to determine it, how it impacts our reality, because what we believe in, we can manifest. That's one of the things in skin. And as we are trying to understand our brain and our body's healing properties, we are becoming more and more convinced that you are who you believe to be. And it is, it becomes your reality. Your belief becomes your reality. And that also kind of helps me understand art a little bit, because, what is the reality? And, through art, we come to believe faster. And the thing is that whatever the belief, like, so if this Pieta, like, how many people have come and prayed at it? So now it just holds that vibe, and which people can feel over there. So art also depicts the flaws in the flawless. And I saw that various artists would create like a perfect canvas and then create like a little flaw somewhere. And I think one of the things is that your flaws are perfect, and basically they're supposed to complete you as a human, because humans have a tiny flaw. Because most cultures believe that only saints and gods are flawless. Everybody else has a tiny flaw. So we all have. Flaws make us mortal. So I saw that in art, and there are two images that I have picked. Again, one is Caravaggio's use of light and shadow, and over here you see I've chosen this picture of this is again a biblical story, and where with Jesus, and you can see how much dark and shadows play a role in depicting the story, where somebody is trying to point out a flaw. And then the other one is Ranini, where we see different stages of human life depicted. So you see a child, you see like an old man, and you see like a young man carrying an old man who's holding on to his gods, statues of gods, and then a little child, they're escaping Troy at this point. So that image is in cast in stone, and the way it is portraying the different stages of human life is like completely, I'm awestruck by it.